That's the
All right.
Hello.
Today we are here to decorate our trees. Decorate the trees with us. These are Dollar Tree trees.
From the $1.25 tree.
Yes, we both got white trees.
We like
We got all the ornaments from Dollar Tree. Oh, and then we did get these. These not from Dollar Tree, but you can find them there.
Yes,
So-
y'all. Welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas.
Yes.
I don't know what day it is.
Nope.
And that's okay.
12 days Christmas.
All right. So
We're gonna get these
this
now.
tree comes with a stand, so you ain't gotta do no putting together. All you gotta do is pop the things at the bottom.
Yeah, make sure you put them in right, y'all. I'll be putting mine in upside down.
What do you
I was
mean?
laughing.
Tamika, how do you even do that?
It's very possible. Believe me,
This
I
is
did
a
it.
great option, y'all, for your desk at the office.
Also, guys, last year I made a I used one of these trees and did a scratch card tree for a gift.
Oh yeah.
So you can always use these. To
Didn't
put
you do
gifts
that for
on.
Dad?
I did it
Oh,
for
yeah.
Daddy. For
Old
Flasha.
Dad'ems.
So
Oh,
yeah.
Daddy-o.
this is a cool idea. Also, something you can do with your younger kids. This don't cost much. I even have one of my teenagers that I tell him if you put out your little Christmas tree, you get an under the little tree gift.
Oh, you get a little baby gift.
It's an
It's a little
incentive. And then have
incentive.
them have a little baby drizzle. Okay?
Oh, Tamika, ain't it precious?
Yeah, I never had a white one of these. This is the first year I seen white ones at ours. We usually have just the see, what is this long thing?
That's tip. Put that thing up.
Y'all, why my tip look different than scenic? Anyway,
Tamika, what are you talking about?
my tip. Oh, I don't know how to do it. Fluffer. I'm not a good fluffer. Okay.
That's the only thing, y'all. Y'all know. Okay. Okay. That is cute.
Look how she did hers that fast. Well, this wasn't no contest. I lost already.
Y'all, Tamika got us these. If you haven't tuned into the first video or second or third,
Yeah.
you ain't seen our
Dollar
ornament
Tree.
cups.
I love them.
Delicious. Okay, well, okay.
Don't
they
eat
don't
the
come
ornament.
with anything in them. But
City made her a good old wake up drink.
I
okay?
made me a little energy option. You know what I'm saying?
With a little ice. See, I think mine looks different. Look at mine's bigger. The top. I forgot to get tree toppers, so I don't know what we're gonna
We
do.
don't have to top no trees.
You don't got to top them.
Okay, listen.
All right, Dollar Tree ornaments. Let's
We got
see where
some
we go.
globes.
She's going with the gold disco balls.
I like the disco
I'm going with the
situation.
disco reds.
Put them things in
This
there.
is so cute. Already, I
They
like
say
it.
the key to a pretty tree is getting the ornaments in
Are
that
we
thing.
sharing these balls? Cause I only got two. You want some of my red ones?
Yeah, you want to do 3 on 3? Here you go.
Yeah.
I got my 3 discos.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tamika done got 2 into the Christmas spirit.
I like
already.
decorating, y'all. This year I actually got my personal tree up.
I want to get my
real
personal
early,
tree up.
y'all. So
Yeah, mine's been sitting in my house for at least a week and some change. Y'all eventually will see it up. Just know that.
and
it's
I'm gonna
coming.
probably give y'all a short of my little tree. Cindy gave me my tree a little while back. I'm actually thinking this is the last year
I
will
love
have
that
it.
tree.
It was a frosted white.
It's a flocked tree.
Frosted. I don't know.
I always wanted a flocker, but the problem is, for real, y'all, flocked trees are expensive. I wanted to do like a DIY how to flock your Christmas tree situation, but it was gonna be my first time doing it, so I didn't want to.
Oh, I put that too.
I didn't want to mess it up too much. Tamika,
I got.
yeah, I feel like I'm not good at this. Why are mine not? They're not doing the right things.
I don't know. I don't think I opened mine enough. Okay, here we go.
I feel like mine are just not proportionate. Like,
gonna
what's
throw this in
happening?
here.
I'm gonna just put them over here. Okay, next.
Ooh, we have.
Oh,
Lord.
Speaking and threw the ornaments on
This
the
some
ground.
jingle bell. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get them ornaments. We'll get that in a
Yeah,
second.
we need them.
Let's open up our jingle balls soon.
Okay, Tamika's going to go fetch those because if you didn't tune into the last video, I was struggling last video. So I'm trying to stay real footed in this chair. These is like acorn ornaments.
They are. We also got some bows. I'm gonna start working with bows.
Okay, here, let me show y'all what these look like. Oh, Tamika, this is not.
Oh no, I didn't know.
It's okay, we can cut it in half. We can share.
Oh, but that's kind of cool though.
Okay, let me show y'all.
You
what
don't
this
need
looks
that for no. That take 800 in for a regular tree.
Yeah, this is not.
That's
This
not
is
for
only
your
for
baby
baby trees
trees.
only.
Baby
Why am I
trees.
struggling so bad? This was the hardest thing to open.
I thought them was ornaments.
Okay, look.
Oh, those are cute.
Y'all, OMG.
We need some. Oh, the little jingles come off too.
Yeah, we gotta cut this. Oh wait, this one then got switched up.
That's so cute.
Wait, how do we fix it? What? Oh no, it's in a knot.
It's knotted. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna put these bows on while Cindy getting the knots out. This is no.
Okay, the knots are out.
There's no rhyme or reason to this way that
But
I
I'm
did
wondering, sis, if we cut this, what will happen?
I don't think we can cut it. Maybe we should just 2 trees combined.
We gonna put our trees together. Wait, we gotta wrap yours around.
That might be the way we do it.
Hold on. And we gonna go around here, and I'm gonna just finish up. Put it on this bottom piece. You see how we did that?
Oh yeah, we
Sharing
did that.
is caring, folks. Yeah. Sharing is caring.
Now let's do the bows, Cindy. Oh, we got balls too. We got just regular.
Yeah.
Y'all can't see us.
I said blocks.
Regular balls.
Yeah. Okay. And then here's these little. I don't know if sis showed y'all these.
Yeah,
little
these bows.
They're super cute.
They are. You gotta be careful. Do not unwrap the whole bow. Okay.
I have a true question though. So there was a question going around on the face of the book, okay? And on the face of the book,
okay.
people were saying they don't like skinny trees, that they have to have full-size trees. Y'all, let me tell you something. I like a skinny tree. My tree's skinny. You wanna know why I like a skinny tree? Because it's easier to put up. I can fit my arms around my tree, okay? I mean, listen, if I'm over here fighting for my life in these branches, I want to at least be able to get my arms around the branches. So I got a skinny tree. But apparently, this is a problem. I need to know what y'all think down below. What kind of tree do y'all got? And do you feel like it's not Christmassy enough if it's not a regular size tree? I'm also wondering, sis literally just asked me,
What'd I say?
What color am I doing my tree this year?
Yes.
I like my tree to match my house. My house is like neutral tones, like browns, grays, whites, creams, blacks, stuff like that. I love black, low-key. That's one of my favorites.
I like black too, actually.
So I was like, I think I want to do like a little black. I want black ornaments. Which I bought some. They have some really beautiful like black and silver, black and gold this year. I was like, I think that's what I want to do, low-key.
She can do that if that's what she want to do.
Right, so what kind of colors do y'all like to make y'all's tree? I'm just not a traditional tree person. I don't do red and green.
Yeah, mine is red, gold, black, silver.
Oh, red,
it's different this year.
Yeah, I'm a fan. Like I used to be like a pink, purple, blue kind of girl, but now,
Yeah, let us know what you do. One year I did a sweets tree. Do you remember when I did?
Oh my gosh, I do love.
I had donuts. I had all kind of stuff.
All the things, folks. All the things.
We are wrapping this thing up.
We're trying to. First of all, please know that if you get these little mini baby balls, you need your own hooks.
They do. They come with these, but who got time to put your fingers?
Who is trying to thread them? Ain't nobody threading them things.
I'm not threading.
Oh, Tamika, this is so adorable.
Yeah, I like my tree.
Sis came up with this idea. She was like, let's decorate trees. I said, okay, sis, let's do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you can't talk about it. You got to be about it. Remember that. Y'all, also, these are all the things that's been on Cindy's mind the last week.
Okay.
What are y'all's goals for 2024? Like, what y'all trying to accomplish in 2024? You know what I'm saying? Like,
yep.
I don't know. I just be thinking about it.
Actually, I think we're going to put all the ornaments on one tree and Cindy going to take it to work for her work tree.
She said we throwing these in Cindy's car to take to work.
Yeah, it's work tree.
I mean, listen. Put the gifts underneath the tree and fa la 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 lee.
Yeah, and y'all could also take 2 of these together and make one fluffier tree. You can actually put them together. Zip tie them together and make one big tree.
Oh, this is adorable.
So let us know down below if you enjoyed this type of video.
Yes.
Just for the holidays, we treat
just a little something. We want to try to be slightly festivus.
Not festivus.
Festivus.
All right. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye, guys.
Cindy, did we even say that in the last video?
I don't think so.
And did we even say it was 12 Days of Christmas?
Nope.
Okay. Well, it'll be all right.